web store that basically runs itself using the Safsira Shopify app. We've got an example web store here. All of these products were created with Safsira. The entire fulfillment and decoration process is completely automated for these. So when an order comes in, you don't have to do anything on the back end. You can see the app interface here. We're on the home page and I've got my account already connected. If you go ahead and click design products, you'll go to the Safsira catalog over here and be able to start designing a product to sync to your store. I'm going to do a t-shirt today. So we'll go ahead and click on this Bella Canvas short sleeve tee and we'll pick it in yellow and go ahead and start designing. All of the media content here, so like the mock-up, the product description, the title, any tags, all of that's going to sync over to Shopify directly. So all I have to do is press a finish design at the end of this. No manual work is required beyond the design step. So I'll go ahead and place my logo. The pricing does not change. It's still $10.28 because we include the first decoration for every Safsira product. And I'm going to go ahead and rename this to the Safsira yellow t-shirt and press finish design. That's creating the custom product here in Safsira and publishing it to the Shopify app. And we'll go ahead and take a look at that. Now you can see basically what will appear in Shopify is this product, these variants, all of that. We'll go back to Shopify now. We'll go to Safsira products, and we'll see that in this list of Safsira products here, the Safsira yellow t-shirt. Now, if I click create on Shopify, it'll create an entirely new product here with all the variants to be fulfilled by Safsira automatically. What you can also do is go to product mappings. If you have an existing product in Shopify with legacy sales history, maybe you just want to assign the size small or the size 3XL to Safsira and fulfill the other variants through a different fulfillment channel, you're welcome to do that. The app is completely flexible. In this case, though, we're going to go ahead and create all the variants and assign them to Safsira automatically. So we'll see that here. We've got the yellow t-shirt, we've got the description, the image, all variants listed. I'll just assign a price of maybe $20 in this case. And I will add it to my homepage collection and put it in my sales channel, my online store sales channel. And go ahead and press save. Now if we just navigate back to the demo store here and we refresh, you'll see that product is now live. Anyone can order it, any size, any quantity. These are produced on demand by Safsira. They ship within 4 days. And super simple way to build a web store, add premium products to an existing web store that will fulfill automatically. It works for any Safsira products, so it works for all of our apparel, hard goods, like drinkware, tech products, bags, anything here you can add to a web store with automated fulfillment and get going live with just a few clicks.